Hey, I'm James Park. Everyone loves the 50-30-20 rule, until they check their bank balance and see basically zero growth. The rule says 20% to savings, but most people just park it in checking and call it a day. End of story. Checking accounts pay next to nothing, like 0.01%. I call it a slow leak. Not only are you earning pennies, but inflation, running around 2 to 3% lately, is quietly eating away at your money's buying power. That means your savings is actually shrinking in real terms every year. I used to do the exact same thing. Left thousands sitting in a big bank checking account, thinking I was being safe. Then I ran the numbers and realized I was losing hundreds in potential growth annually. Switching was a total game changer. Instead, move it to a high-yield savings account. Right now in early 2026, rates are still strong, but starting to cool after Fed cuts. The absolute top hit 5.00% at places like Varo and Adelphi. Great if you qualify with direct deposits or low balances. Plenty of no-hassle options pay 4.20 to 4.35% from banks like Newtek, Axos, and Peak Bank. Ally's a reliable everyday choice at 3.30%. Shop around. I'll link the best current rates and comparison sites in the description. Common mistake I see. People chase the absolute highest rate, but pick a bank with hidden fees or bad apps. Stick to FDIC-insured online banks with no monthly fees. Let me run the math on a real example to show why this matters big time. Take-home pay, $4,000 a month. 20% equals $800. Auto transfer that every payday to a top high-yield savings account at 4.5 to 5% year one, around $237 to $264 in free interest. Balance $9,837 to $9,864. 5 years. $5,918 to $6,632 in interest, with your balance hitting $53,918 to $54,632. 10 years. $25,412 to $28,743 in interest. Balance over $121,412 to $124,743. That's the power of compounding. Your interest earns interest on itself, turning consistent deposits into serious money. Zero extra work, no side hustle, no stock market risk. Compare that to leaving it in checking. Over 10 years, you'd earn maybe $50 total, while inflation erodes thousands in buying power. How do you set this up? Super simple. Takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Check current top rates, links below. Bank rate, NerdWallet, update daily. Choose one. No fees, FDIC-insured, solid app reviews. Open it online. Most approve instantly. Link your main checking. Set automatic transfers. $800 on payday. Pro tip. Many are offering $100 to $300 sign-up bonuses right now just for recurring deposits or direct deposit setup. That's free money on top. Check the promos in my links. I still get that yearly interest email, and yeah, it hits different when you see real growth stacking up automatically. What's your current savings rate? Drop it in the comments. I read them all. Use the 50-30-20 rule the right way, or don't bother. If this hit home, subscribe. More no BS money fixes coming every week, like emergency funds, maxing bonuses, or beginner investing without the risk. Thanks for watching.